Here is the total layout in N scale. Watch the green signal turn amber, and the sound is muffled in the tunnel. Hear the sound again. Here we go in the other tunnel. The light turns amber. The oncoming signal is red, indicating an oncoming train. And as soon as it appears, the sound appears with it. The turnouts are controlled here. We'll change the double crossover so when the train comes out, it will go to the inner loop. Again, the sound follows the train. And we come down past the hobo camp, under the steel girder bridge, and around the reversing loop. The gates drop, the bell signals, and the lights flash. Coming around a smooth, continuous run. Surveying the buildings, we have a working sawmill down here with the paddle wheel turning in the stream. We have the bonfire burning at the hobo camp. And we have Duffy's Tavern with music playing. The junkyard with a real junkyard dog. And the photo shop with the Kodak sign blinking on the roof. We have a Valdez oil gas station and a welding shop, Noah's Arc Welding. And the arc welder actually lights up with this motion detector, and you can see the flash of the arc and hear it. Very realistic. Now for a side view of the helicopter taking off. We'll turn on the sound. Ignition.
Helicopter 358, you are cleared to leave on pad 2.
Thank you. A couple of other little insights. We have a batting practice here with softball, and we have a protest over at the Mousetrap Factory. Animal activists are complaining about mousetraps hurting mice. Important.